Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Again, I am always here just put you on the right side of the market. In recent times, I have done videos both on insurance stocks and the banking sector. Now today, I even said it yesterday on the live stream. It's a slow grind, the Santa rally, right? Today, we're looking at yellow lights and the color guard. Yesterday, we had a green light. Today, we're not seeing much enthusiasm in the market, but there's two sectors that are still on the rise. All right, we're in the VectorVest 7 software, and this is what I mean by the slow grind. Look at the major indices. Mixed today, the Dow Jones down 125, NASDAQ up 15, yellow lights across the board, but it's the Santa rally, right? There's still optimism in the market, so I'm going to point you in the direction where I still see enthusiasm, right? Look down below, the top RT sectors. We've got bank and insurance. I've done a video, I believe it's been about a month now, when I saw optimism first appear in these sectors, both bank and insurance. So tonight's presentation, I'm just going to look at the top rated stocks in both, put some great stock candidates on your radar. Now, you know me, I don't like to overthink it. Now, if I see the market slow grind to the upside, but only two sectors stand out, which I've already done a video about, banking and insurance. And look at the stocks here. I'm in banking stocks. All of these stocks are undervalued. If we take a look at Superville, first off, look at trading at 12.43. We value at 16. Northeast, 103, valued 127. All of these stocks are undervalued in the list. On top of that, look at the fundamentals. RVRS, great ratings here. Strong uptrends with the RT rating, buy ratings across the board. So let's take a look at the chart and see if there's any money to be made. Look at this stock. A lot of momentum to the upside. My moving averages all in my favor. Look at the candlestick today. Nice full body candlestick. We do see a high here coming up. If you want confirmation, take out the high 1252. Otherwise, just because I see a full body candlestick there, I might take a nibble just before. Here we've got Northeast Bank. I like what I see here. We see the retracement, nice support right on the 20-day EMA. Follow through, big body candlestick yesterday. The follow through that I was speaking of coming through fruition today. A little bit of a wick at the top. If you'd like confirmation, I'd like to take out this prior high at 104.16. Otherwise, the current high sits at 105.44. Now, if we take a look at the other stocks, Axis, great stock. This is what I've talked about as well. You can see broke its downward trend line here, off to the races, big gap up. Nowhere near does the stock look like it wants to fill this gap. Price action still above the 20-day EMA. For confirmation on this, I'd just like to see the 3 get back above the 8, showing momentum for the bulls again. Otherwise, another great trade setup for the holidays. And if we take a look, we got another 2 stocks here. CCB, again, look, nice lower left, upper right, full body candlestick today. Buy recommendation across the board. If we take a look at the last stock here, GGAL, beautiful. I see I had a trend line here. Looks like it broke the trend line. So let's take a look at a 6-month chart here. Yep, there it goes. So it did break this trend line here. So just keep an eye on this position. Otherwise, it does look good. I'm not sure why I have this line here, but you can see, we are retesting that trend line here. So of all 5 of these positions, this is the one right here that I'd probably be most concerned about. The other 4 bank stocks look phenomenal. Now we've got the insurance stocks, right? You can see we're just looking at the top 5. There's over 100 stocks here, 133 insurance stocks. I'm just showing you the top 5 with the best combination of overall value, safety, and timing. Now, if you'd like to see the full access of both the bank and insurance companies, I will say we are having a trial offer right now. 99 cents will get you 30 days access to the software. So if you want, go to VectorVest.com, check out the trial offer, or just go to VectorVest.com/YT. Now, if we take a look at these stocks, you can see exactly why I'm talking about these sectors, and I have been. I mean, look, these top 5 positions here, all undervalued. If we take a look at the fundamentals, RVRS, only 1 rating here. The RS on Kingstone is below 1, but the rest of these favorable. Well, except this one here. We got ACIC 0.8, but overall, you see the fundamentals are in our favor collectively. RT relative timing, a lot of momentum to the upside. Buy recommendations across the board here. Double digits for both forecasted earnings growth and sales growth. Minus UNM coming in at 4% on the sales growth, but does make up for, 18% when it comes to earnings growth rate. So you see exactly why, again, I want these stocks on your radar. So let's take a look at the charts. Well, what am I going to say about this chart? Clearly, you see the wick here. It looks like a shooting star coming to formation. I'm not going to be a buyer of this one right here. The moving averages all in our favor, but this is giving me a little bit of a warning sign. I'd like to see it take out the high here, just shy of $18 at $17.69 for some confirmation. If we take a look at the other stocks here, we've got MCY. Look at this, beautiful chart patterns. All of these stocks, nice lower left, upper right, momentum there, buy ratings. Let's not overthink it. This is a great position once again. And if we take a look here, we got PGR Progressive. We see it had a dip, drop below the moving averages, not so much in our favor, but look at this big gap up here. Since then, that 20-day EMA holding as a level of support. So if you're trying to buy the dip here on Progressive, as long as price actually can stay above this 20-day EMA, I'm a buyer. So if you're going to take this trade, putting your stop right around this EMA or just below it, giving you a little wiggle room to grow, not mad at it at all. We can see the 3 converging closer to the 8-day. So if you want some more confirmation, wait for that 3 to get back above the 8 to give us a sense that momentum is starting to change for the bulls. Now let's see here. We got ASIC, ACIC. I don't like that upper wick. I don't really like this candlestick today. The moving averages, all in our favor. I'm going to pass this one just because this upper wick here. But again, if you want to take a look at this stock, or if you want to nibble at it, confirmation is going to be at the prior high here, just above $15. And for the last stock this evening, we've got UNM. Phenomenal. Look at this chart. Smooth. Lower left, upper right went from $55 to $76. Almost 50% in just the last, 3 months? Phenomenal here. And look, very little volatility. This is exactly why I want to put these stocks on your radar so you can make money, not be stressed during the holidays, and enjoy life. All right, VV Nation, I hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation. Again, I always just want to simplify things, make life easier, and make some money. Now, if you enjoyed tonight's presentation, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Time to get excited. It's almost 2025. Hard to believe, right? I know. Now, VectorVest, we are proud to present our 2025 flagship 2-day investment seminar held in Tampa, Florida, January 10th and 11th. Now, you can visit that live stream. Just go to vectorvest.com/stream. I mean, there will be some great heavy hitters there presenting. We've got Glenn Tompkins, Ray Clark, along with Jerry D'Ambrosio, and special guest Les Mason.